Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and this video is on multiplying fractions. Here we have our first problem, and if we look at it, it says a half times by a third. So when we multiply the fractions, all we need to do is treat the top numbers, which are the numerators, as one equation, and the bottom numbers, which are the denominators, as a separate equation. So if we take the numerators to begin with, we've got 1 times by 1, which simply gives us 1. Now if we write that on the right hand side of our equal signs, we're going to get 1 over. Now to get the denominator, all we do is times the two denominators together. So we've got 2 times by 3, which gives us 6. So here we're just going to put a 6 on the bottom of our fraction. So a half times by a third gives us a sixth. Now if we look at our second problem, we've got 3 over 2 times by 5 over 2. So again, if we treat it as two separate equations, we've got 3 times by 5 and 2 times by 2. So if we look at the top half to begin with, we've got 3 times by 5, which gives us 15. So if we write that on the right hand side of our equals, we've got 15 divided by, and if we look at the denominator, we've got 2 times by 2, which gives us 4. So we're going to write that underneath our 15 as the denominator, 4. So 3 times by 2 times by, so 3 divided by 2 times by 5 divided by 2 gives us 15 over 4. Here we have our third problem, and it says 3 over 2 times by 5 over 3. Now again, if we take our top numbers, the numerators, we've got 3 times by 5, which gives us 15. And if we take the denominators, we've got 2 times by 3, which gives us 6. So now we write that on the right hand side of our equal sign, we've got 3 times by 5 gives us 15 over 2 times by 3, which gives us 6. Now here if we look at our fourth equation, we've got 3 over 7 times by 9 over 5, and it's exactly the same. If we take the numerators to begin, we've got 3 times by 9, which gives us 27. If we look at our denominators, we've got 7 times by 5, which gives us 35. So now if we write that on the right hand side of our equal sign, we've got 27 over 35. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to like and subscribe, comment down below any topics I could make to help you out. Also be sure to check out my social medias, which are all in the description box below.